New unit, mounting and placement. Review the Colmac video titled New Unit Inspection prior to proceeding. Ensure all processes in that video are completed. Ensure all mounting provisions meet local codes and regulations. Unit should be permanently affixed. Considerations for vibration isolation should be applied to the mounting surface. Permanent mounting should be engineered to support the unit weight, seismic conditions, and operational vibrations the system may experience. Air source units should not be mounted with the exhaust of one unit blowing into the intake of another. Air source units must have enough clearance to allow unrestricted flow into the unit. Use the installation drawing as a reference for maintenance clearances. Our CXW series units have the capability to be stacked upon one another and arranged in arrays of up to 8 units. The HBA series, CXA5, CXV5, HPW2, and HPW4 must have an external frame if stacking is required. Air source, CXA10 through 30 units, can be bookended together to create an array of up to 8 units. The CXA series are equipped with a slide-out tray for serviceability while bookended. Refer to our submittal drawings for slide tray clearances. Air source units with plenum or centrifugal fan option can be ducted for supplemental cooling. Unit placement should be considered for noise and exhaust. Thank you for watching.